How can I add a voiceover or music to my site? Navigate to the listing you want to add a voiceover or music in the control panel. Click on the MP3 tab. Click the Browse button and select the audio you wish to use. Click the Upload button to add the audio to the listing slideshow. Congratulations! You have successfully added a voiceover or music to your listing.